Hi, and welcome back to another review. Today we have another CNFans haul. For those of you who don't know what CNFans is, it's like a portal where you're able to purchase replica high brand or high street brand items at a fraction of the price. In the description of this video, I do have a link to CNFans. It's an affiliate link, so if you sign up, then it does help me out. It gives me some money back into my account, which enables me to continue buying these items. Everything in this box was actually free, and the reason it was free was because I've had enough affiliate balance to be able to buy them. I just had to pay for the postage. So it's a thank you to everyone who watches my videos that I was able to get this parcel. I think there's 4 items in total actually in here. So it does come in a box. They've obviously put their Royal Mail only 1 parcel in this box, but I think there's 4 items. I'm not going to flip it all the way around because it has got my address details on there. But I say, all the information for CNFans in the description of this video, an affiliate link and a spreadsheet of some really good items. So what I'll do now is I'll get this box open and I'll show you the items that are in here. Right, we are back with our second item from our CNFans haul. And this time we have a BAPE, Bathing Ape t-shirt. So again, as with before on CNFans, what they do is they take the items out, they send photos, or QC photos as they're called, and you then get to approve them. If you're happy with them, they just shove them back in the bag and then they put them in the box and they post them out to you. So that's why when the items come, they're never folded, they're literally just chucked back in the bag. So what we'll do now is we will take the t-shirt out of the bag and we'll have a proper look inside and outside. Right, we've got it out now and it is very creased. Obviously, as you saw in the clip beforehand, these t-shirts just get shoved in the bag, so they're not folded, so when they come they are really creased. But we have the standard neckline on this one. I do always wonder whether these are just plain black t-shirts that they print them on, or if these are actually official ones and just made in like a factory next door or something. But you've got BAPE printed on the front, and there is the monkey, or the ape, probably the correct word for it. And it's been pressed on actually. It feels really quite smooth. Not a lot else I don't think on this one. No tags down the side there. I know sometimes they have a little tag on the side, but nothing there. Looking at the hemline, that looks all good. There's a slight mark there. I'll have a closer look at that. Oh, I just noticed something here, look. There we go. There's our BAPE tag. I will leave in the description of this video my spreadsheet for CNFans where you're able to get some of these products from. But that's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now. I really like the design on the back of this one. Collar line just continues around. It's just a standard collar, to be fair. Sleeves all looking good. Just very creased. So it's probably one of them ones that I'm gonna put in the wash before I wear it, or I'll just wear it around the house first. And we have our graphic on the back, and I really like the design of that. I think that looks absolutely amazing. Obviously you've got the ape in the background there, look. And then we've got BAPE here. Now this here is like more of a rubber vinyl, whereas this feels more textured actually, like it's been printed on. So I think that's probably heat pressed on, whereas that I think is printed onto the material itself. But that's the reverse side of the shirt. We'll take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt. Collar line, stitching all looks relatively good on that. I've folded it over incorrectly there, but yeah, the stitching all looks good. We'll take a look at the joins on the arms. Underneath, stitching all looks tidy. So we'll have our logo here somewhere, no creases in that at all. That's gone on very nicely. And here we have our product tags with our washing instructions. The recommendation with washing these is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry, do not put it in a tumble dry. exactly the same as you would do with your football shirts. Yeah, the hemline all looks good. There's a little bit of loose cut on there, look. But we'll soon get some scissors on that. It's just where the join is, but nothing really to worry about at all. Guess the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Flip it around and we'll look at the other side. Okay, the final part of the inside of the shirt, we've got our BAPE tag at the top here, and it is a 2XL. So what I've started to do actually with these shirts as well is I'm double upping on the size, because I've noticed that once I've washed one, it did go a little bit smaller. So I'm hoping if I go double up on it, then when I wash it, it'll actually be the standard XL size that I am. We have a BAPE tag here. I'm not sure if I can even open that because of the way it's joined. There you go, you can just about see it. I do love how they put all these like tags on them to make them look official. There you go, you can just about see it. Obviously again, we've got our print just here. All the creasing is just from where the item's been in the bag, nothing else at all. Creasing will soon come out once the item has been worn. But there's the inside of our BAPE t-shirt from CNFans.com. And there we have it. There's our BAPE t-shirt, a Bathing Ape t-shirt from CNFans.com. For those that you do not know, CNFans is it's a website basically where you go and find products that you want. You then get aligned an agent. The agent goes off and does the purchasing for you. Then they get the items in, they take photos of them, and then you get to QC them, so that's quality check them. If you're happy with them, they then put them in a box and then they'll weigh them for you. You then pay the exact weight of the item. So the cost of this shirt was about 6 or 7 quid to be fair. So really, really cheap. So you can't fault that at all. And the quality of them is really good. I do wonder whether these are made in the same like factory as the official ones, because they look so good. I will leave a link to CNFans in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, so if you sign up you get some coupons, and also I then get some coupons. So as I always say, I try to keep transparent. The items that I'm doing from this CNFans haul didn't cost me anything apart from the shipping, and that is down to you guys for clicking on there and making purchases. So thank you very much, that's helped me out no end, and it keeps me able to buy them and do these sort of reviews on this channel to show you what products are out there. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you very much for watching this CNFans video, and I'll see you in the next one.